Structure of a civil trial. A civil trial in the English courts follows the basic structure. The claimant's lawyer will make an opening speech to the court. This speech should state the nature of the case before the court, state the issues that will need to be decided, summarize the facts that you will seek to establish during the trial. The claimant's lawyer will then call the claimant's first witness and will conduct an examination in chief. The defendant's lawyer will then have the opportunity to cross-examine this witness. The claimant's lawyer may then conduct a re-examination of the witness if appropriate. The claimant's lawyer will then call any further witnesses and the process will be repeated. Once all the claimant's witnesses has been heard, the defendant's witnesses will be called one by one to give evidence in the same way as indicated in steps above. The claimant's lawyer will give a closing speech to the court. This speech should summarize the arguments that underpins the whole case, which you hope will persuade the judge to decide the case in your favor. The suggested structure for this speech is as follows: introduction, issues, narrative, the argument, confirmation and refutation, result. The defendant's lawyer will give a closing speech to the court. This will follow a similar structure to the presented by the claimant's lawyer, but will present an alternative theory of the case designed to persuade the judge not to decide in favor of the claimant. The judge will pass judgment and make an order. The burden of proof in a civil case is for the claimant to prove his or her case on the balance of probability. This may be contrasted with the criminal law burden of proof, which is for the prosecution to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. Thank you for listening. Legal Podcast by Advocate Mara. I hope you enjoyed this video. I put a lot of legal information in it that you need to expand your legal knowledge. Please subscribe to channel and turn on notifications to listen my next podcast first. Thank you for listening Moral Advocate YouTube channel.